Hello everyone, I am Dr. B Ramya, Assistant Professor, PG Department of Biochemistry, Auxilium College, Vellore. In this video, we are going to discuss about the architecture of cells. Through this video, students can able to learn about the basic concept of cells, learn the types of cells, learn the prokaryotic cell architecture and learn the eukaryotic cell architecture. Before entering into this video, we have to know about the cell. A cell is defined as the fundamental structural and functional unit of all known living organisms. It is the smallest unit of life. Cell can independently carry out all essential processes for survival such as metabolism, growth and reproduction. Discovery of cell. Cell was discovered in the year 1665 by Robert Hooke. By observing a thin slice of cork under a microscope, he published his observation in his book Micrographia. Robert Hooke coined the term cell. Classification of cell. Cells are classified into two main types. They are prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cells are simple and lack of nuclear membrane and other membrane bound organelles. Example for prokaryotic cells are bacteria and archaea. Eukaryotic cells are more complex, possess a nucleus and organelles. Example, plant cell, animal cell. Beyond the two main types, cells can be classified by their function and tissue types such as stem cells, muscle cells, nerve cells, blood cells, bone cells and fat cells. Architecture of cells. The architecture of biological cell refers to its intricate internal structure which consists of various components that work together to carry out all life functions. This is the structure of prokaryotic cell and the eukaryotic cell. Common cell architecture. Cell membrane. The outer layer that separates the cell interior from its environment is called cell membrane. A network of filaments and tubules that provides a structural support and helps to maintain the cell shape and organization called cytoskeleton. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like substances that fill the cell and contains the organelles. DNA is a genetic material that contains the cell instructions. Ribosomes are synthesized proteins based on the instruction from the DNA. Prokaryotic or cell architecture. Prokaryotic cells are simpler and generally smaller than eukaryotic cells. Absence of nucleus. The genetic material within the cytoplasm called nucleoid. Lack of membrane-bound organelles. Prokaryotes do not have complex internal membrane-bound compartments like mitochondria or Golgi apparatus. Most have a rigid cell wall outside the plasma membrane which provides structural support and protection. Some may have flagella for locomotion or pili for attachment on the surface of the other cells called appendages. Eukaryotic cell architecture. Eukaryotic cells are more complex and are characterized by the presence of a membrane-bound nucleus and specialized organelles. Nucleus. The linear DNA chromosomes and is enclosed by the nuclear envelope. Mitochondria, often called powerhouse of the cell, generate most of the energy through cellular respiration. Endoplasmic reticulum. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. One is the rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. A network of membrane involved in the synthesizing and transporting proteins by rough endoplasmic reticulum and lipids by smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Golgi apparatus packages proteins and lipids for transport out of cell or other organelles. Lysosomes. They are all called suicidal bags, the sacs containing digestive enzymes that break down waste materials and cellular debris. Plant-specific features. Plant cells have a few unique components including a rigid cell wall made of cellulose, a large central vacuole for water storage and turgor pressure, and chloroplast for photosynthesis. Thank you.